Hi and welcome back to Pracky Reviews. So today I have with me a very interesting body cleanser. To know what it is, keep watching the video. Hello there and welcome back to Pracky Reviews. So today I have with me a very interesting product, and it is a body cleanser which is essentially in a soap format, and but it is something which has got so many more things and so many more benefits than just a regular soap. So what it is the Botanica Essentials Cocoa Butter and Turmeric Body Cleanser, and this is a product. If you're wondering where the packaging is, let me tell you that Botanica Essentials is a brand which is committed to lessening the plastic problem. They are on sustainable packaging. They believe in sustainable packaging, and hence they use minimal packaging. So I got this in a very clean carton. I got, amongst other things, I got this body cleanser. This is what we're going to be talking about. So it's got, this is the soap. It's the Cocoa Butter and Turmeric Body Cleanser from Botanica Essentials, and as you can see, it is a very simple soap. It's because it's a pretty rectangle, normal basic shape, but let me tell you, there is so much packed in this little thing. First of all, this is a handcrafted product, so it is handmade. It is completely handmade and completely natural. So Botanica Essentials as a brand is committed to innovative products. They combine skincare with natural products, and make it available in very interesting formats. That is what I like about it. So this soap is basically just a basic rectangular shaped soap with the Botanica Essentials stamp, the branding stamp on it, and it has the goodness of cocoa butter and kasturi turmeric. Kasturi turmeric is a type of turmeric which is better than the usual turmeric in terms of skincare. The thing is that the global beauty market is just waking up to these ingredients like cocoa butter and turmeric for skincare benefits, but ancient India has known these forever, and we have been using them like for ages. Soap, it is a vegan soap. It does not have any palm oil. So what it does has is, it has alternative oils, which is the coconut oil, it has olive oil, and it has almond oil. So this thing is packed with wholesome good ingredients in it. As it's a beautiful beige color soap. It's basically the cocoa butter color, and if you see, you can also see the powder. If you look closely, you can also see the powder, the bits of turmeric in it. It's really beautiful, and it does not have any artificial fragrance. That too is a wonderful thing, because when it comes to natural products, you really want, or what you really expect is things which are as is, and not something which is artificially made up to look good. I'm just going to show you like a short way, since it's a body cleanser. I'm just going to show it, some of it to you, and apply it on the back of my hand right now, and let's see how it goes. I'm just going to wet it with a bit of water, and yeah, just the thing is, cocoa butter is good for it prevents drying, and it regenerates cells, it heals the skin, and it softens the skin. That's what cocoa butter does. And what kasturi turmeric, kasturi manjal, or kasturi turmeric, what it does is, it's antibacterial. It is anti-acne. It helps in clearing blemishes from the skin, and it also improves the overall complexion and gives it a beautiful glow. As also things like coconut oil or almond oil, or the olive oil that the soap has. So these three together, I think they are a very wonderful combination, because they bring stuff like, they've got antioxidant properties, they hydrate the skin together, and they also have a lot of UV protection properties in it. So it protects your skin from UV rays, so a lot of natural SPF in there. So I think it's a great bet. So I'm just gonna rub this and see if it lathers. So it has a decent amount of lather, and as you can see, but it's not too much. It's not like, you know, it's not like a bubble bath. And I'm just gonna leave it for half a minute or so. I think it's already half a minute since I applied it, so I'm just gonna quickly like dab it off with a thing. And yep, wow, that is amazing. That is amazing. It has really softened my skin, and it has really worked wonders. So my skin feels soft. It is literally baby soft right now, like this. See this, it's a little dry. Look at this, it's just gone baby soft. I think this is going to be a wonderful soap, since soaps are something which you should use for a longish time period. So I'm going to be using this soap now, but just with this, I mean, I can expect an amazing benefits to my skin. And I just like, I have used a lot of Botanica Essentials product, and I think they are awesome. They do what they claim, and this is one of the soaps. They have really innovative formulas out there, and this is definitely one of them. So I love this soap, and I'm gonna be using this forever now. Like this, dude, if this is what it does in one wash, then just imagine, like, you know, the amount of skincare that I'll receive if I use it every day for a longish period of time. So that's about it from me. Pracky reviews about the Botanica Essentials Cocoa Butter and Turmeric Cleanser, and this is what it is. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know what you feel. Bye bye.